Many speakers destroy their stage presence. They almost self-sabotage their stage presence through their movement. Pacing endlessly up and down the stage, or maybe dancing on the spot, or just wiggling from one hip to the other, from one hip to the other. It's really distracting to an audience, and it just says, I'm nervous, I'm uncomfortable, I don't want to be here, and that destroys your stage presence. So plant yourself. Feet, maybe not shoulder width apart. I always think that's actually slightly too wide. Plant yourself, give yourself a firm base. Shoulders back, look up at your audience. Even if you are looking down onto the move around a table, you want to have your shoulders back. Don't slump into it. Use gestures and let your gestures reflect the tone and importance of what you're saying. So bigger messages, bigger space, bigger gestures. Detail, smaller points, intensity, smaller gestures. And being able to move from the small gestures to the big gestures can really help to change an energy in a room and will give you great stage presence. So plant yourself. Use your gestures and use stillness. Just like the pause gives great verbal stage presence, stillness gives real credibility and stage presence. And again, you can vary between the two. So remember those tips. Don't let your physicality undermine your stage presence. It should add to your authority, not just be a distraction. Next time, we're going to talk about how you can connect and engage with any audience. Like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out.